Please take a look at these 12 before and after photos of homes transformed with Canadian exterior product Stonetile. You can find all these products on this website, www.stonetile.com. Here you see a transformation of a suburban stucco house to a beautiful stone villa. This bungalow received a dramatic facelift. Heritage tiles, sills, and plinth molding were added to its curb appeal. This lakefront home underwent a radical transformation. Note the use of rustic tiles, plinth, heritage tiles, and a variety of stone tile moldings. This is not a big house, but the change of this exterior surely adds to its property value. This urban two-story received beautiful window trim. All the existing brick and stucco was removed, and heritage tile was installed on the entire home. This tired-looking 1980 suburban brick home received a new front. Welcome to the 21st century. From drab and dingy to, oh, what a cute little home! Stone tile posts, moldings, heritage tile, and brick tiles were used in this exterior reno. It is hard to recognize this bungalow with its new exterior, something to be proud of. The neighbors called it a dump. With only slight structural changes and a new stone tile exterior, it turned into the best looking home in the entire neighborhood. Here we see a suburban bi-level home. Not very exciting, but with the new exterior, you'll be proud to invite your guests over. A suburban home that screams, "I was built in the 1970s," to a home that speaks volumes of homeownership pride. This already beautiful urban home received an entirely new character, simply timeless elegance. Take another look at these 12 before and afters. This time, pay special attention to all the details. The images that you're looking at now are of new homes, some small homes, some sprawling mansions, and a couple of commercial projects. All these projects feature a stone tile exterior, and all are in Western Canada. The factory is located in Calgary, Canada. You too can transform your home. We will provide a free estimate. The price for the product is quite affordable, much less than veneer stone or brick. This is a great product for the do-it-yourself renovator. Take a look at our website, www.stonetile.com. Our exteriors are beautiful masterpieces, from classic traditional to ultra contemporary. As you can see, installation is quite simple. Be sure to check out new DIY exterior product and also the installation training videos. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video.